My name is Piero Papi. I'm 35 years old and I'm a dentist. I work and live in Rome, where I have my practice together with my father. I became a dentist because I wanted to help people. I wanted to make an impact on people's life. I had this patient, young patient, 35 years old, who had a very severe trauma. He was a police officer who was attacked on duty. He got unconscious, and when he woke up, he realized that he was missing his central incisor. I decided to select a Straumann BLX implant to perform this case because I wanted to be sure to have the best suitable macrogeometry to obtain very high primary stability to perform an immediate loading treatment. No failure was possible in this case, and I knew that selecting those combinations of properties, Straumann BLX implant, SLA active surface and rock solid titanium zirconium alloy was the only way to obtain 100% success.
In questa storia il dottor Papi è il mio supereroe. Non avrei mai immaginato di vivere un trauma così grande e poi oggi di essere sereno, magari affrontare la vita e ridere al mondo, alle persone, senza trasmettere quel senso di insicurezza, che è tipico magari di questi percorsi. Sono tornato al giorno zero come se non fosse successo niente.
It was very nice to see him. Everybody was really emotional that day in the office because he was so happy to go back to have dinner with the family without anyone having the clue that he had this trauma. He was finally able to smile again. He was so happy. It was really rewarding to witness his happiness, and this is one of the reasons why I became a dentist.
Straumann IXL. Unleash your power.